Good morning everybody. Yes beta, I am fine. I think you are also fine. And everybody stop your front camera. Upasho, Suzanne, please beta stop your front camera. Upasho also, where are you? And please stop your front camera. First, English project, I am just giving that. I am giving English project, and after that, I will start the curly locks. Okay. Curly locks 4 questions already I have written, and English project from grammar book. Grammar book, English grammar book, page number 86. And one thing, please write, or you will get in your e-portal, draw and color an Indian flag and write 10 lines about it. So please, okay, draw and color an Indian flag and write 10 lines about it. I am just giving hints. Here also some things are there. The stripes are there, 3 colors are there. Okay, so color, 3 colors symbolizes some things. That's saffron. Saffron, you know that? Sacrifice. And white, purity, honesty. Then green, vigor, youth, and also chivalry. Chivalry means also that social and moral value. Okay, peace, you can tell the purity, honesty, peace for the white. Book or copy notes you can do in scrapbook. Besides that, it is better you can do in a chart paper. Okay, chart paper. Behind the chart paper you can write your name, class, section, and in front of the chart paper you should draw very nicely the project of that. Draw and color an Indian flag and write 10 lines about it. 3 colors symbolizes these things. Besides that, also that one wheel is there, blue color wheel is there, 24 spokes are there. So please write also that also, and you should respect. We should respect and love our Indian flag. Submission date I will tell afterwards, but in the month of December you should prepare the project. I will give all these things in your e-portal. Okay, I will give in these things in your e-portal. Today or tomorrow you will get all these things in your e-portal. But 10 lines about it you should write very nicely. Now we can go to the textbooks. Curly locks and 3 bears. 3 bears. Submission, project submission date I will tell beta. Project submission date and where to submit I will tell afterwards. So please do it in the month of December. This month of December you should write in your chart paper. It is better. So write in a chart paper. Okay beta, and behind that you can write your name, class and section. So now page number 100 you will open in your textbook. 100. So here, have you ever seen a forest? What did you see there? Have you ever seen a forest? Have you ever seen a forest? Obviously, I think most of the children of our school, they have seen the forest, because you are in class 2. Last year also we had gone to Ramna Bagan. That is also one forest, reserve forest of Bardwan. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, you can write that. I have already seen. I have seen the forest. And forest, what did you see? Forest, what did you see? Obviously some animals. I saw there I saw there bear, tiger, monkey, and many types of birds. Monkey, deer, and many types of birds. So here you have seen. After that, to question, no need to write. Okay, you did not go the Nihan forest, elephant, any forest you can go that also. You can see if you did not go, write. No need to write the yes, you can write no. So there is a plate of sweets lying on the table. You want to eat some sweets. What will you do? What will you do? So obviously take some sweets and whatever, not all the sweets in the plate. And nowadays you should wash your hand. Nowadays and always you should wash your hands properly with soap water. Okay, liquid soap or soap. Anywhere you should wash your hands very nicely. So that's why after that you can eat. But also if you are having friend there or sisters or brothers there, you should distribute them also. Okay, you should share with them. Next, there is a story. They have written that here you should pretend means you should guess that you are Curly Locks. But after that, tell the story to your friends. Okay. So here and also they have to tell that Papa Bear, Mama Bear, Baby Bear, let it be. But next page, page number 102, their words curly and hungry tell us about Curly Locks. Can you find some more words describe the bears? So bears that describe, anybody please write. Bears, how they are describing. Nihan write, no other things, please write. Very first, bears they are describing. Also, that is here Papa Bear, big bed, middle side bed, tiny bed, anything. Nihan, Pratushna is writing, please write. So here bear family went to the sun, slept in the shouted Papa Bear in the gruff voice. So we can write gruff. We can write gruff. We can write gruff. We can write porridge. Porridge for all these things. Big, tiny, and also shouted. Anything you can write. Big also, soft also. Big, soft. Okay. And here that tiny little voice, big gruff voice, and also that Mama Bear also, that somebody he is telling not only that soft voice. Okay. Next, write about your family. Write about your family. Firoj, no need to show me all these things. Please write whatever I am just telling. Okay. So here, page number 102, they are telling write 5 lines about your family. So we can write like this. Whatever you are, you should write. I am Nihan Chaudhary, I am Upasya Dolvi, I am Pratushna Datto, Ankit, anybody, please write like this. Then about first, you can give that my family. Heading please give my family. Then I am, like this, your name. Then there are how many members? 4, 5 or 6? 4 members in our family. In our family. Then also you have to write my parents, grandparents, parents, grandparents, grandparents, and my sisters or brothers. Anything you can write, sister, brothers and sister are in our family. Then you can write, we love our family. I love my family very much. Okay. I love my family. I love my family very much. All this class, it will be also given in the YouTube. So please do it, or you can write in the slowly. Family very much. And I am giving hints. You can write by yourself also. Next, a sailor went to sea. To sea he could see. But all he could see was the bottom of deep blue sea. The sea and sea, the two meanings are there. Okay, sea means we can just watch and sea means the ocean. So here also they make sentence with see, tell and tell. So we can write the sentence. So first, please stop your front camera. So please look at this. Okay. Here make sentence. See, I like to go or travel seaside. Next, see, I want to see the sea. Look, this same sentence I have used to see. Okay. Next, tell and tell. Tell and tell. Tell means that monkey has a big tail. Monkey has a big tail. And tell my grandmother tells me, that tell is also for speaking, tells me, let it be Pratushna, wait for that school opening, okay. My grandmother tells me a nice tale, okay, daily or every day. So the tell, two meanings, tell means story. Here, that is your homework for page number 103. Next day I will ask, Bear family went for a walk before dinner. Somebody came in, look at what they did. A ball, where is the ball? Papa Bear's plate. A flower, Mama Bear's plate. A plant is Baby Bear's chair. So, what else do you see in the picture? A cat is sitting on the chair, shoe is there. You can write 3 or 4 things in that book, okay, or copy. So, if any problem beta, write to me in your e-portal. Okay beta, then thank you, have a nice day.